Hello, I'm Rod Hill, and welcome to Growth Group Academy's Tech for Success tips and how-tos to keep your digital devices delivering the best for you. In last week's video, I showed how easy it is to back up the data in your smartphone or tablet to the cloud storage from your device's provider. Today, I'll explain how to back up the data on your desktop or laptop computer. A typical desktop or laptop has a much larger hard drive than a smartphone, 2 to 5 times larger, in fact. This would take much more time for the typical backup process to complete using cloud storage, and of course, you'd have to purchase much more cloud space. A more economical and practical approach for desktops and laptops is to use an external hard drive. These drives are made by a variety of vendors and are readily available at your local technology store. The prices start around $50 for a 1 terabyte drive. They ship in two varieties, the portable kind that gets its power from the computer data cable, and the desktop type that plugs into your wall outlet for power. Since I move around a lot, I prefer the portable kind like this one. Now, as you might imagine, the tricky part here is deciding how much storage space you'll actually need. Well, from my experience, give yourself at least 4 times as much space as your hard drive's capacity. So, for example, if your laptop has a 256 gigabyte hard drive, a 1 terabyte backup drive should be just about right. Another good point is today's smart backup software creates incremental backups. In other words, after the first complete backup has been accomplished, the software adds copies of the new files and copies of existing files that have been modified. This allows the backup file to grow in size more gradually, making the backup process extremely efficient. Now, most backup drives ship with backup software preloaded on the unit. However, some computers ship with their own backup software pre-installed as well, like Apple's Time Machine that ships with every Mac. With Time Machine, in addition to incremental backup, you also gain the ability to go back in time and restore individual files, like that Word document that you created last Tuesday but for some reason became corrupted this morning. This is another great reason to back up your data as often as possible. Well, in 2 short videos, you've learned how to better protect your file libraries stored on any of your digital devices. Remember, your data is much more valuable than the cost of replacing the individual devices that they're stored on. Well, that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and from all of us at Growth Group Academy, take care and good success.